What's up mga tol? So today we're going to unbox this HIBREW 3-in-1 coffee machine. So it's been a while, we were thinking of what would be the best coffee machine we would have sa bahay namin. We had the traditional coffee maker, we had yung mga 3-in-1, no? It's our first investment, after the pandemic. Syempre medyo parang yung mga coffee lovers, di ba? Started to make their own coffee at home. Nagiging parang mga barista na rin, no? I would say. So, we decided, no, after careful consideration of so many options available out there, no, there's the nespresso machine, you have the Keurig coffee or yung K-cups, you would have yung mga Starbucks also made their own line, and of course yung mga espresso machines that are more expensive, no. We tried to balance out. Of course, my kids wanted also to make their own coffee or lattes. No? We decided on to buy something that's really easy to use. No? So here we are unboxing this HIBREW coffee machine 3-in-1. 3-in-1 because it can cater Nespresso cups. It can do dolce gusto cups, and it can also, the best part is the third one, it can also do yung the usual ground coffee, no? So, we'll unbox it now. Samahan niyo ako. Okay, so we bought this during the 6/6 sale in Lazada, and it just arrived today. Ang bilis, no? Just after 5 days. Ito na siya. Ayun na siya. Tandararan. Yan. So sa box pa lang kita nyo, it can cater, no, in you can use Nespresso cups, dolce gusto cups, that ground coffee, and actually meron pa ditong ESE pod, no, but we don't have that. Okay, so let's unbox this today, and then later on we're gonna make some coffee para makita natin how it's used. We have a thank you card. So it's a nice looking machine, I would say. First impression. So basically, you have the water container at the back, no? And of course your holder. Okay, so let's just read the catalog. Alright, mukhang madali lang naman siyang gamitin. Okay. So, meron siyang inside the package, mukhang standard to. It has the spoon. So, parang pang ano to pang scoop ng ground coffee. Para if you want to use yung traditional ground coffee. Okay, may mga extra items dito. Figure that out kung ano yung mga yan. And all of the other things needed, no? Measuring and all of those. Right. So, ito, the other stuff that comes with it are basically the adapters. Yan, ito yung mga adapters. Yan. So, that easy to use, no? So, here are the 3 adapters. So, you have the adapter for the Nespresso cup. You have the adapter for the Dolce Gusto cup, and this is what I like. This is the adapter for normal ground coffee, no? So magagamit mo pa rin to for normal ground coffee. So I'm going to use this. This is the Nespresso. This is the espresso cup. We're gonna use this. This is the Starbucks Decaf series. So kasi ako medyo sa caffeine ngayon. So it's good thing that Starbucks came up with the decaf series. Okay, so it's time to put the water reservoir. Okay, so we're gonna fill it up with water up to the max line. Yan. Okay na siya. Okay, so we're gonna try the Nespresso cup using the Nespresso cup adapter. Tapos, basically, you just need to insert it here. And then, lock it in. So, it has two buttons. One is the espresso and one is the lungo or the long espresso shot, no? So, I'll turn it on. And it should come out in a bit. Yan siya. Alright. Coffee coming out. Okay, so that's the short one. So this is your espresso. So I'll try and use ground coffee, second option, which is what I like kasi magagamit ko lahat tong mga ground coffee namin. So we're gonna put it in this adapter. Yan. Then you just, ito maganda, you can press it like that. No? Yan. You can also slide it in. So I'll take out the one that we used earlier, espresso. So I'll put this and just lock it in. Wait for it to just reheat. And this is for the ground coffee. So I can use my ground coffee in this machine. Yun ako excited. The smell is really good. Crema is really perfect as well. Ayan na, maangat-angat na siya. And I was able to use ground coffee. Hindi ako tied up with pods. So I hope you enjoyed our episode for today. That's a quick review of the HIBREW 3-in-1 machine and the HIBREW aerator. Subscribe to Team Toledo and we'll see you all soon. Bye!